Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Tecno mobile face lock setting. Friends, you want to use Tecno mobile face lock setting, you want to set face lock, you want to set up face lock in Tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set up face lock. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, scroll down here and open your phone security setting. Again scroll down. Friends, you want to use face lock, you want to use fingerprint lock setting, so you can use it. Friends, we will click here face unlock setting. So friends, before set face lock, first you will have to set lock screen password. Friends, you don't have lock screen password, you cannot use face lock and fingerprint lock setting. So friends, I will click here set screen lock, face lock plus pattern, face lock plus pay, and face lock plus password. First of all, select your password type. Friends, I will use face lock plus pattern. Next option, click here. Remember your pattern lock. Okay friends, remember your password, and your pattern should 4 dots. If we use 3 dot pattern, so friends, you cannot start pattern lock and you cannot use face lock. Next option, draw your pattern again, confirm. Wait here, done option. Enroll face, tap here. Don't wear objective like glasses, hat, mask, remove it. Next option, show your face, and you can start face lock. You can use face lock setting in Tecno mobile. After show face, when face lock will set up, now you can use your Tecno mobile face lock setting. Off your screen. You want to unlock Tecno mobile, friends, you can unlock your Tecno mobile. Swipe here, draw pattern, your phone will unlock. Again off your screen. You want to unlock Tecno mobile, show your face, phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can use Tecno mobile face lock setting. Show your face, phone will unlock automatic. And if you draw your pattern, so your phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can unlock your mobile with pattern lock, and you can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock. Friends, again open your phone setting. Now you want to start fingerprint lock, you want to use fingerprint lock. Enter your password. After enter password, you can add fingerprint lock in Tecno mobile. And friends, you don't want to use lock screen password. And friends, if you turn off your lock screen password, so friends, you can check face lock notification is not here. After remove, friends, you can check face lock will delete automatic. If you turn off your lock screen password, if you remove your lock screen pattern, pin and password, face lock will remove automatic. Again you want to use, you will have to set lock screen password first. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.